Hello, guys. Now let's talk about the FA Cup tie, Man United versus Coventry, where Man United was cruising through the match 3-0, and then Ten Hag makes a substitution, and then suddenly they concede 3 goals, and and like I have no idea how they have conceded 3 goals in that particular situation, but I don't even know where to put the blame. So I just ask you guys that do you think that the substitution, like, see, from my point of view, I feel like if your team is cruising with 3-0, a manager making a safe substitution for, like, because he knows at that particular point we should be winning, it seems like a nice thing. But you can probably, maybe you think it differently. Maybe you think maybe those substitutions were too hurried. You took out the best players and then you conceded. What do you guys think? Do you think that substitutions were right?
You've started with the substitutions, of course, but I will
Yeah,
tell you one thing. The
yeah.
exact outlets that criticize Ten Hag or the management for the substitutions, I'm
Mm-hmm.
pretty sure if you scroll through older posts, at
Mm-hmm.
some point they would have written, "Oh my God, Garnacho has been playing every week. Why
Yeah,
isn't the
exactly.
manager resting? His
Yeah,
legs will go. He can't play. He's the only
exactly.
player that is
That's what I
scoring goals
thought,
for us."
I felt like that was fine.
What the fuck hypocrite are people in this world, man? I mean, seriously, just going out on internet and talking shit, chat shit, get banked should be a reality, man. I mean,
Yeah.
someone
That
should
that's
be a
that's what
someone
that's
should
what
be a
get clicks,
judge
man.
on Twitter. Someone should be a judge on Twitter and to investigate all these comments. But
That's
in
exactly
all
what gets
honesty,
clicks, man, But I still, that is still, the fact is that you did concede 3 goals.
yeah,
And
did
were
concede,
lucky not to
but
concede more.
Yes. That
yeah,
offside call was so close, man, so close.
about the substitutions, I mean, there are important games. I mean, I know there are no hopes to get to top four or anything. We just have a final. I mean, considering the
This was the
injuries
only
that we've
important
had,
game.
right? We have 65 injuries, and player are like, they're they're getting injured every time they take the field. And I'm not kidding. Every time a player comes back from injury, I fear they're going to get injured immediately the next game or mid game. Martinez has been taken off on 4 separate occasions after coming back from injury. Can you believe that? And it's either been mid game or in training or in Argentina, where he so happily goes while he is injured. आई मीन केन लेके चला जाता है, मेरे को धमाल मचाना है वहां पे। मतलब मुझे
Okay.
समझ में नहीं आता व्हाट काइंड ऑफ, आई मीन, obviously, I mean, I can give you a little bit insight about the medical department and what changes are happening, because that will be news for everyone that is watching us, because there is a nutritionist, there are certain medical department related changes that are happening. ETH is not giving away a lot of information, but when he's been cornered and he's been asked these questions that why these injuries are happening, he has had to answer, and he gives away a little bit, but we get that insight that there are a lot of changes happening in there, and he just says that we are working on it. Working on it means there is a holistic change that is happening. So I mean, there are problems with the medical department, we know. As soon as Regulion loan was not extended, we knew that both our fullbacks are injured, and yet we said tata bye bye to Regulion and allowed him to leave. We shouldn't have. So these are decisions because Ten Hag had to take, because the department gave him the information that Shaw is absolutely fit. And as soon as Regulion left, the immediate next week, Shaw is injured. Which club in Europe functions like that? No one.
And
Again,
they also said
Mal-
Malacia will be back.
Malacia will be back. He
He's
got it.
he's lost in Bermuda Triangle, bro. Nobody
Lost it.
knows.
No, they killed him. They're covering it up.
Yeah. Yo, in the Carrington base, they found
I'm
human
telling you,
remains.
dude, I'm
They
telling
found
you where
human
he is.
remains.
Let me tell you where he is. He's training with Thiago, man.
Yeah, he had to bring up a Liverpool player, of
Yeah,
course.
but I want to, I understand you have a lot of injuries, but still, want to come back to losing that 3 goal lead. I feel like that you shouldn't be struggling against a championship team, but yet here you do struggle. And while you have won this tie, and maybe a certain any player would probably be a little bit humble about it. Anthony decided to be complete completely showing up on the faces
About
of
the
commentary
about
players.
the championship game, etc. Year cupping, etc.
Championship
Whatever.
team.
But when
That
I
was
told
Anthony,
you,
by the way.
when I told you with this United team, I am not even sure against Coventry, you guys laughed. Now, matlab, it is out there for you to see. You know, it is out
Don't
there
say
for
it
you
like
to
that
see.
one.
No, that's the thing, right? But
No,
people will say it is a manager's fault. उसने ही बोला कि
Anthony
भाई
said
3 गोल खा
everything.
जाओ. Eh? Yeah, Manish, go ahead, man.
Manish, you give
No,
me
no.
something better, man.
No, see, everything comes down to your actual nature. United's players' nature is to just pass the time out there, win, lose, it doesn't matter. Okay, but it's an FA Cup semi-final. Your like owners have come onto the stadium to watch you guys. You put on an audition so that
Oh
these
my
guys
God.
don't fire me for the next season.
But Anthony
मेरी
did,
जगह
right?
बचेगी.
He put on an
But
audition.
no, United
A different
players
kind of
really put in
audition.
It was the decking
United
team.
players. United players really put on a performance. Like they were very good, clinical. They were 2-0 up. Everything is fine. Second half started 3-0 up. Everything match done. Pack up. Manager said, "Okay, everybody has to get some chances to play here. We'll rest some players. We'll
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
the substitution. We'll see
Makes
out the
sense.
game."
Yeah, makes sense.
That's it. Once the substitutions were made, it was evident that the game is over. But yeah, it was game is over from a United perspective. From a commentary perspective, they have reached the semi-final after so many years. All सब बूढ़े बूढ़े लोग भी आए हो उधर भाई मेरा क्लब
Kudos
पहुंच गया
to
semi-final
that
देखने के
environment,
लिए.
man, by the way. Kudos to that
And yes,
environment.
they gave the fans gave their everything. They were behind. They were shouting. They were crying. Everything, and they put in effort. And United players again came back to their old nature.
One more
They like-
note. Coventry
That's it.
City fans को देख रहा था. They have better fans than Man City. And I'm not kidding. Just
That
FYI.
is
Yes.
that is not very, very difficult, man.
Maybe better than United fans as well.
No way. But yeah, the United players, same story. Onana is trying to waste time after being 3-0 up. Why? बस यही आदत है ना करने की.
Because we are United.
You are not 1-0 up and it is 5 minutes to go. You
Man,
are 3-0 up and it is 20 minutes to go. It is
Man.
wasting time.
SGR and Glazer were sitting together, right? Like with every goal that was going in, like I felt like that a part of their soul was coming out based on their facial expression.
Glazers का नहीं, only SJR.
Like Glazers are used to it, na, man.
Yeah, they are used to it.
Aaron Wan-Bissaka, if Mohamed Salah is playing, he'll give his full life. He'll bet
Yeah.
on his life and defend everything. He'll like close his hands down and then defend.
Mhm.
If it's Coventry City, I'll dive in like this with my arms raised. आओ ball मुझे मारो. अरे what is this?
That
यार?
wasn't
Like,
a handball, but yeah, I'm not
see,
in a
the
position
ball
to
hits
debate
the
on it.
hand. We have to, we cannot debate on that. And we tried so hard to lose this match, and yet we won it. That is a story from my side.
That is
Everybody, कैसे मेरा
कैसे
five
मैंने miss भी
Champions
किया?
League,
Yes.
5 Champions League,
Panenka.
सीधा मार दिया. क्या कर रहा है वो?
Penenka,
Very
bro.
nice.
पने का
Yes.
मार रहा है वहाँ.
Means
परलो
this was the
बनेगा.
only game where we have motivation, where the players have some motivation. That was gone after 70 minutes. That's it. After that, it is normal service resumed. And we won the penalty shootout because of errors from the opposition players, not because of our clinical finishing or something. That was normal.
that is
And
that is such a
Onana said one
such a
penalty.
United
That's it.
discussion, man.
One penalty. Yes. Tried so hard to lose, but we won.
What about that
Accepting
SGR running a marathon and coming to watch your game and all that stuff? What was that?
He is doing all the running. The players are not running, so he has to run. He at this age is giving everything. He's saying, "Okay, I have to do.
Oh my
I have
God.
to run."
I
ये
felt like,
सोचा नहीं था मैंने.
He has that motivation. He has the motivation to run 42 kilometers in one day. These fuckers don't run 42 kilometers in 7 days.
oh my God.
And yeah,
Bhai,
it-
SJR tried his level best to motivate this lot without even
Yes.
saying a word.
Yeah,
फिर भी
man.
नहीं हुआ.
फिर भी नहीं हुआ.
And yeah, in that interview where he was like interviewed during that marathon, he was also asked about the procedures that is going on with the club and all that. And he was saying that okay, this is a process that happens like because we are recruiting official people at different positions, and there is yet one guy yet to come. That is the Newcastle guy who has all
Danish.
the data with him. Yeah. So, and he says if people coming in, people not yet boarded in, so this takes a lot of time because everything has to sink in, and then only we will get the result. And the result is also not just like in the first year. Everything has to come to the
Obviously.
same table. Everybody has to discuss 1 or 2 years. So the longer it takes these things to first settle in, the longer it will take to results to reflect. So it is a process that we have to the fans have to understand. So this was what he was saying, and yeah, he gave his life running, but yeah, the players
Gave
didn't.
his life.
Gave his
Zinda
life,
hai
man.
bhai,
Not-
zinda hai wo.
Not give his life. He gave everything. That's what I mean to say. But yeah.
Coventry City just felt so sorry for the guy. They thought, okay, let him win, man. Dude ran so much. At least he should
Maybe.
he should see his team winning at least.
Yeah, and that idiot Anthony's fidget spinner idiot. I mean, he's celebrating in front of Kovacic. I mean, थोड़ा शर्म भाई तू
थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा सा इतना भी शर्म रहेगा ना तुम वो नहीं करोगे मुझे
No,
लगता है
that is the Brazilian blood coming, reacting to that situation. We can't help it.
सारे ब्राजीलियन वो एक ब्राजीलियन का
पागल ही होते
रिटायरमेंट होम है कैसेमिरो उसको पने का मारना है ऐसे ओकेजन में मतलब अनइंटरेस्टेड पनिका
अरे!
इफ देयर इज अ कैटेगरी ऑफ पनिका अनइंटरेस्टेड पनिका ओके सो वो कैटेगरी में आता है मतलब ऐसे जस्ट गिफ्टेड द गोल अवे मतलब it was worse than Bernardo Silva's penalty kick against
Oh wow,
Madrid.
that's saying something, man.
Yeah, exactly. So
But,
and then
I let's
No, the only
we-
thing is if Bernardo Silva does that, he looks cool. And Casemiro does that, he's chutia. We have to agree on this. But both of them fucked up. Bottom line.
yeah.
So Ten Hag feels like that this is obviously one of the biggest achievements or really big achievement to reach the final of FA Cup twice in a row. Is it twice in a row?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
It's
yeah.
now
an
that-
achievement, no
Yeah.
doubt.
It's an So
I
now
would like to
how many goals are you going to concede against City and lose the final?
Yeah,
We have
eventually.
Onana.
तू
We're
भी
not
बोल
going to
दे भाई
consider
तू भी
anything.
पेल दे तू
है ना अरे कुछ नहीं हो ना they'll be 2-0 down ओनाना भी like अब मेरे को अटेंशन कैसे मिले अब मैं टाइम वेस्ट करेगा अब मैं टाइम वेस्ट करेगा
जीतो भाई जीतो यार ठीक है.
No, actually, on the flip side, actually, Onana has been kind of one shining light in the last 15, 16 games that we've played. He's the only one because he received a lot of stick from fans, media, shots. He's
for good
made
reason
for a good reason. But because people were also questioning his technique.
Mhm.
And when he was being cocky about it after losing games, I mean, everyone started to feel that, bhai, tu bas baat hi karta rahega kya? But he fought off all that and he's made point blank saves. Okay. And he's kept us in games, you know, how we look in our defense and midfield, and yet he's rescued us
Beautiful.
actually on multiple occasions. So,
yeah.
so, but the problem is that he knows what our team is. He knows his front line that is in front of us. ये जो time wasting वाला भी है, he knew in his heart that if we concede one goal, we are vulnerable immediately. He knew it 100%. क्योंकि एक बंदा 3-0 पे time waste कर रहा है, मतलब that is his state of mind in itself. And that is currently the dressing rooms, you know, call it whatever. We are just that vulnerable. And it is sad to
Okay.
see. But
Mhm.
I just can't believe. I guess we got Coventry City. That's why we are progressing to the finals. If it wasn't for a favorable fixture, if it was a Wolves, I guess Coventry City won against Wolves in the last fixture.
And
before
you
the-
won against Liverpool, man. Come on.
We won against Liverpool because
But
Liverpool
Atlanta
are
also
shit,
did.
right?
Yeah,
So
that is
so that's a different thing. but we
can't even
we
say
went-
anything. That is true.
No. The thing is that again, Liverpool wala bhi was a favorable fixture because it was at our home and it was
Also,
Liverpool.
it was against Liverpool. You
occasion,
were
I'm telling
always
you,
going to
right?
turn up. Yeah.
We will turn up against Arsenal because
Hmm.
that game is at Old Trafford again. We will turn up definitely. That's why I said don't discount United against Arsenal at Old Trafford.
Like
कुछ ना
Manish
कुछ तो
completely मैं
करेंगे.
बता रहा हूँ ना, Manish summarized it perfectly well. 70 minutes के बाद United is like कि हो गया अपना,
अब बस
खत्म,
भगवान भरोसे.
हो गया.
No motivation, no party.
मतलब तुम लोग को
चलो
bet,
सही है.
मतलब तुम लोग को bet भी
नहीं,
करना है तो यूनाइटेड के
if-
अगेंस्ट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि
if you see the match, actually Casemiro played centre back and he did a very good job. But yeah, only after for 70 minutes. उसके बाद chill.
उसका चिल मार रहा है उसके भाई. एक he went for a 2-footed tackle on their player, he missed it. वहीं पे रेड कार्ड होके हम हार गए होते मैच. 5 मिनट लगता है मैच हारने के लिए हमको, 5 मिनट. एंड
It's such a funny
बहुत
club at
try
this
किया,
particular
बहुत try
point.
किया.
I know next year United is going to be different, but at least this year it is such a funny club. Like
but yeah,
we-
having said all that, मतलब we've reached the final.
yeah.
What history books are going to know is that United faced so many shots, but they are also going to document that United has also had these number of injuries, and
Mhm.
irrespective of that, we reached the final. They are
Mhm.
going to know that.
Mhm.
You know, I understand there are a lot of records that this team has broken, all the negative records in a very negative way, right? But people are also going to look that, okay, they have reached the final, maybe we will lose it, because the way we are playing, at least occasion will have some level of motivation in the players. But the motivation has to last 90 minutes, right? Even though we are 3-0 up and it is the 85th minute of the game, I am not sure my team will win against City, right? So yeah, to hai. So
But
there's
at
that.
least we have a good final, man. See,
We'll
that's
have a
what I
good
feel.
final.
It's a good final.
Had Coventry City went, they would have lost fair and square. So yeah, whatever it is.
Good, man. Good. Nice. Congratulations on your finals.
Thanks, man. We are in a final
Yeah.
while no one else is here.
Yeah.
And
That is I think one thing that Ten Hag can be happy about.
yeah, that is the only thing.
Eh,
And yet he will be
eh.
sacked, I guess.